Hi, I'm Eleonora from Cochrane Beauty and Aesthetics Academy. One question we always get asked is, can a beginner train in level 4 laser and IPL course? Can they enroll directly onto the course? The thing is that level 4 laser and IPL training is an advanced qualification, so you must have level 3 relevant qualification. So in that video I will explain you why this is important, because lasers in general are not just the machines that you can just press some buttons. It's a very advanced and powerful machine that delivers energy to the skin, so we have to really understand the core foundation of how they work so we can perform a safe treatments. Lasers are very powerful machines and they can cause a lot of harm if they are used improperly. Our course will fully prepare you for professional clinical practice. You will not only gain competence, but you will also gain confidence. Before starting with the treatment, you must perform a very thorough consultation. On the course, you will also gain the knowledge of how to properly perform skin and hair analysis. Conditions like vascular lesions, we'll be treating hyperpigmentation, but again, not all hyperpigmentation. We'll be treating, for example, sun damage, freckles, age spots. You'll also gain the knowledge how to perform treatment for vascular lesions. For example, telangiectasia, someone that suffers with rosacea, a very relapsive condition, someone that suffers with very extreme sensitivity on the skin. Again, we can treat it very safely with our laser. You need to understand how your skin reacts with the light. You'll also be learning about Fitzpatrick skin typing. This is why you have to perform first patch test. So if you're not sure about something, we are performing patch test to make sure we deliver the safest possible settings to our customers. Any contraindications, any contraactions that come with the treatment, anything that you should be aware of. Laser treatment is just not something that can fit all. For each individual client, you need to choose correct settings, depending on their Fitzpatrick skin type and also their, for example, thickness of the hair, or let's say customer comes with very blonde hair, which usually is very hard to treat with laser. We have to be very honest with them. There are a lot of things here to consider when we are creating our treatment plan. Safety considerations are also very important. Things like goggles for the customers when we treat face especially, and for yourself, are a must. So you must wear protective eyewear. Also, outside the door we should have warning signs displayed. Other things like no reflective surfaces. The windows must be covered. There is a concern form that must be signed usually during consultation, and clients are aware of the actual treatment, the sensitivity during the treatment, the reaction of the area after the treatment, and also the aftercare advice, how they should treat the area or they look after the area once they leave your clinic. For the laser hair removal, the students must understand the hair growth cycle. For the laser hair removal, we'll cover all the areas. So facial laser hair removal, like upper lip, chin, sides of the face or full face, under the chin as well, or neck. We also cover full body areas like full arms, full legs, also underarms, navel line, full bikini, and we are just, underarms. We practice on all those areas, and we practice on different type of clients, different type of skin as well, so different colors. So there is like a variety of practical areas we cover on the course. When we're treating skin with our Harmony XL Pro award-winning laser, we are using 2 handpieces. So we are having our DIVL or green handpiece, which is best for vascular lesions or someone that suffers extreme sensitivity, telangiectasia or rosacea. So this handpiece is great. It gives amazing results. On top of that, as a side effect, which is a really positive thing, we're also going to improve any pigmentation. We have our orange handpiece, or SR, which stands for skin rejuvenation, on the face, décolleté and neck. Also, we can use it on the hands. So can a beginner train in a level 4 laser and IPL? No, you must gain your level 3 equivalent qualification first, like for example our level 3 access to aesthetics qualification, and then you can progress to your level 4 laser and IPL course. If you already have your level 3, you can directly enroll into the level 4 laser and IPL training. So if you're not sure about any of that, you can contact our team. We'll be very happy to help you. I hope that video brought you clarity, and if you still have questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Our friendly team will be very happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I will see you in our laser room.